Question 132. Miko saw someone's expression in the 5D process table below and wanted to reverse the process. The problem involves a bag of green, red, and blue marbles. So here's the table. It said that there are some blue marbles, some red marbles, some green marbles. Here's the table. And now we kind of want to reverse the thinking to see kind of what the question was, or what do we know? All right, so I know this. I've got green marbles, red marbles, blue marbles. The do is where I'm going to add up all my marbles together, it looks like. And it looks like when I add up all my marbles, I need to get to 71. So it looks like that's what's going on in this problem. All right. So one of the variable expressions describes how the number of red marbles compares with the number of green marbles. How can you describe this relationship? All right, so hold on. So I want to describe the relationship between red marbles and green marbles. Red marbles, green marbles. Well, they didn't do anything here, but looks like green is going to be their guess. So they took whatever green is, and it looks like there's two less red ones. So for A, I want to describe a relationship between green marbles and red marbles. I would say there's two less red marbles than there are green marbles. I think that makes sense. Yeah. So the relationship between green marbles and red marbles is whatever green is, I'm going to subtract off 2. I could just say there are 2 less red marbles than there are green marbles. Okay. Part B. Based on the variable expression, use words to describe how the number of blue marbles compares to green marbles. All right, so I'm going to compare this time blue marbles to green marbles. Here's my blue marbles. Here's my green marbles. So how can I compare the green to the blue? Well, I think I can say that there are twice as many blue plus 5 as green. So there's definitely going to be more blue marbles. So what do? I double the amount of green and I add 5. Or I double the amount of green and then I have 5 more. So there's definitely going to be more blue marbles because I'm going to double, because X is green. So I'm going to double whatever I have for green, and then I'm going to have 5 more than whatever that is. All right. Part C. How many total marbles are in the bag? Well, that's going to be this piece right here. So there has to be 71 marbles in this bag. And I just looked up here, total marbles, and it says a total needs to be 71. So when I put all the marbles together, I should get 71 when I get the right answer. Part D, if there are 15 green marbles in the bag, how many red and blue marbles are in the bag? Well, it looks like that's what they started here for me. So let's see. So if I have 15 green marbles, we know that red is 2 less than whatever green is. So that would have to be then 13. And then blue marbles, well, this is where I double the green and I add 5. So if I double 15, I get 30. And then I add 5. So I believe there's going to be 35 blue marbles. So that's part D. 13 red ones, 35 blue ones. Use information in the table to find the number of green, red, and blue. All right, so here's what I actually got to do the work now. All right, I guess I should probably finish this up then. So let's see. So if I guess 15, let's see, I had 15 plus 13 plus 35. So that is green marbles, red marbles, blue marbles. And if I'm right, it's going to be 71. So let's add them up and let's see. So 15, 13, and 35. Well, at least they're all 5s. It makes that easy. So that's 15, carry a 1. That's 4, 5, 6. So I got 65. I got to get more. So that gives me 65. Leave yours on here, but I need a little more room. So I'm going to erase this. You should be doing this also on your paper. This is what your paper should look like, which is too low. So I need to go up. So we know that 15 is too small. I don't know. Let's try 17. So if I do 17, let's see. My red is 2 less, so this would be 15. And then my blue, I'm going to double the green and add 5. So 17 times 2 is 34, plus 5 is 39. All right, and now let's add them up. So let's see, 17, 15, 39. That gives me 14 and 7 is 21. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, lucky me. 71. So that is perfect. Exactly what I needed was my total. Perfect. Helps the thing spell correctly. So I know I have 17 green, 15 red, and 39 blue in this bag.